Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra's shark fin antenna. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a small wrench, and your new antenna. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the ignition. To prevent scratches, apply painter's tape around the antenna's base. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement process for your vehicle. Now, let's access the antenna. Inside your car, carefully pry off the rear dome light cover using a trim removal tool. This reveals the mounting screws. Next, gently pull down the headliner near the antenna to expose the retaining nut. Disconnect the electrical connector and the antenna cable. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging the headliner or wiring. With access gained, unscrew the retaining nut that holds the old antenna. Once loose, carefully lift the old shark fin antenna from the roof. Clean the mounting surface thoroughly to ensure a good seal for the new part. Now, position your new antenna, connect the electrical and antenna cables, and tighten the retaining nut. Make sure it's snug but do not over-tighten. To finish, carefully push the headliner back into place and reattach the dome light cover. Double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure. Finally, turn on your car and test the radio reception to confirm your new antenna is working correctly. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.